When God blesses you financially, don't raise your standard of living, raise your standard of giving. Springboard's data science program offers specialization in ML. Online learning platform Springboard is offering an end-to-end specialization in machine learning for its data science course. The 9-month program aims to match selected professionals 1:1 with the data science as their personal mentor. Through an extensive curriculum, a personal career coach, and teaching assistant, Springboard ensures that learners get a job or their money back. COVID-19 recoveries in India crossed 49 lakhs, death toll surpasses 94,000. The number of coronavirus patients who have been discharged so far in India has reached 49 lakhs 41,627 after 92,043 recoveries in the last 24 hours, while total cases have increased to 59 lakhs 92,532 with a single day spike of 88,600. Coronavirus death toll in the country has surged to 94,503. Out of the total cases, 9 lakhs 56,402 are currently active. A 24-year-old woman approached a family court after her father defeated her several times in Ludo in Bhopal. Nowadays, children are unable to endure defeat, which is why such cases come up. They need to learn to accept defeat. Sarita Ranjani, family court counselor, said she has been counseled 4 times till now and the situation is improving. Sarita added. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan on Sunday said the centre is aware of the emerging studies that claims COVID-19 is not only the respiratory disease but affects the several other organs including the heart. He added, we have an expert committee to look into these facts of COVID-19. We have urged our institutions like ICMR to actively study these issues. 1.6 lakh students to sit for IIT JEE Advanced exam today. The IIT admission test JEE Advanced is being conducted today in 2 shifts from 9 am to 12 pm and 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. As many as 1,60,831 registered candidates are appearing for the exam in 1,000 exam centers across the country. All students must wear masks and hand gloves and bring hand sanitizer along. Google's 22nd birthday doodle shows letter G on video call. Google commemorated its 22nd birthday with the doodle, which features the letter G sitting in front of a laptop doing a video call with the remaining letters of OOGLE. Google was founded in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. In 2006, the word Google was officially added to the Oxford English Dictionary as a verb. Former Defence Minister Jashwant Singh passed away today at the age of 82. Singh had also served as the Finance Minister and External Affairs Minister. Jashwant Singh Ji served our nation diligently, first as a soldier and later during his long association with politics. During Atalji government, he handled crucial portfolios. Saddened by his demise, PM Narendra Modi tweeted. Microsoft made a secret Windows XP theme similar to Apple's, reveals leak. An alleged leak of Microsoft Windows XP source code revealed unreleased themes for XP's early development, including a theme nicknamed Candy. It was found similar to Apple's Aqua design language from OS X. While the theme was left incomplete, the Windows XP start button and various buttons and UI elements were found similar to Apple's Aqua. Windows XP source code leaks online. Company investigates matter. Microsoft source code was Windows XP and Windows Server 2003 has leaked online, media reporters said after verifying the legitimacy of the leaked material. It's the first time source code for Windows XP has leaked publicly, and it appeared in the form of 42.9 GB torrent file posted on 4chan. A Microsoft spokesperson said the company is investigating the matter. Google Meet to limit calls to 60 minutes for free users from September 30. Google's video chat platform Google Meet said its free features will expire on September 30 as told earlier. The platform in April had opened up its services to all users until September 30, through which anyone could create unlimited free meetings with up to 100 people. Free features for G Suite and G Suite for Education customers will also expire. Vietnam opens world's first gold-plated hotel. Gates, toilet sheets, walls, rooms and even coffee cups are made of gold in this hotel. BTS V wins the title of Most Handsome Man in 2020, beating Zayn Malik, Robert Pattinson and Hrithik Roshan. This is a very difficult pose of Odissi dance from Chinnamasta. American artist Brian Mock brings recycled materials back to life. Vodafone logo is actually just a quotation mark, as we know that an open quote stands for the beginning of a conversation. The brand wants to show that with Vodafone, users can talk to each other anytime. Thank you for watching. I hope it is very useful to you. Share this knowledge to your friends and family groups, and I'm signing off here. Bye bye.